What's up, guys? It's your boy, How To, and today I'll be showing you guys how to start recording on your computer or your laptop PC for free. And you're gonna have to go to a website called Screen-O-Matic. And once you press on it, you're gonna see, a whole lot of this. But don't you're gonna go up to screen recorder, and it's gonna look like this. And you're gonna press launch, and it's gonna show up like a thing like this somewhere here. And once you allow it or whatever, press on it, it's gonna show this. There's a webcam, only webcam. They're recording yourself and a screen, or if you want, you could both, and you're gonna have yourself on the side, and then the screen, whatever you're on your PC or device. So this video is only for free, so you're gonna launch free recorder, like I said. If you want, you can launch the deluxe or premiere one, and you can get pro recorder and video editor. And if you buy this whole premiere, you get the deluxe hosting it, secure backup. I don't know, for just better options. So you click it, launch it, and then you're gonna press the little red button right there, record, and then it's gonna show a timer. It's gonna show a timer, and yep. Well, and be famous out there, and like the video if you love your mom. And we're out.